Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can change your photo background only with Photoshop. So here you just need to open your Photoshop in the mobile version. It could be symbolized with the PS Express, and then you just need to tap to clip to open it. The next you just need to create a new project by tap into this photo editor, and then just pick the picture that you want to edit here. And then next thing you to do is just you take a look on these bottom sections and swipe into the left side until you found these combine right here and just tap it. And now we just need to go click this replace background, and the information will be coming up. You just need to tap confirm, and then we just need to wait. So make sure the internet connection of you is just correct. Now there could be several options that you can choose for the background. It could be a gradient, color, and patterns. Now you just need to go click one of them. If you want to do with the color, you just need to tap into the color section and then pick the colors that you want to use as the new background. And right after you're done, you just need to tap into this button to save it. And now you're done. So that's for this tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.